Good morning. We're going to look at box plots this morning, and that's a continuation of the statistics chapter. Now, a box plot, what is a box plot? Well, it's a way of representing the data and trying to summarise the data that you have in a data set. You've looked at other ways of displaying information that should be familiar to you. You've looked at bar charts, histograms, stem and leaf diagrams. These are all methods to display data, and that's what a box plot is. So let's see, what do you have to do to draw a box plot? It's a way of displaying the information in a 5-figure summary. Now let's go back to the example that we've been working on, the ages in a Sunday school trip. And they're on the board again. The 2-year-old, the 2 6-year-olds, 4 7-year-olds, 3 8-year-olds, 2 10-year-olds, an 11-year-old, a 13-year-old, and the 25-year-old Sunday school teacher. So these are the ages of the group. And we looked at how you find Q1, Q2, and Q3. Now, a 5-figure summary involves these things, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and it also involves the lowest bit of information in the data and the highest. So that's highlighted on the board there. L1 equals 2, Q1 equals 7, Q2 equals 8, Q3 equals 10, and H, the highest bit of data, is 25. So that's a 5-figure summary. So you've listed your data from smallest to largest, you've found Q1, Q2, and Q3, and you've identified the lowest and the highest. So you've got 5 bits of information there. That's a 5-figure summary. Now, a box plot requires us to draw on a scaled number line those 5 bits of information in the following way. So I want to draw a number line that's going to allow me to show on that number line 2, 7, 8, 10, and 25. So I have opted to go up in 2s, and I have scaled the line 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, and 28. So I'm going to stop there. I need to have from 2 to 25, and I need to have it in a scaled way that allows me to plot these points. So L equals 2, let's put them on to the number line. L equals 2. So I'm going to, in fact, let me put them down here. L equals 2, Q1 equals 7, Q2 equals 8, Q3 equals 10, and H is equal to 25. So I'm going to put these on this number line. So that's 2, I'm going to place up here. 7, now 7 would be in between 6 and 8. So what I'll do it as accurately as I could. Q2 is 8, Q3 is 10, and H is equal to 25, so over here. And now that's me, got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-figure summary. And what do I want to do now? I want to do this. And I want to draw to 25. So that's a box plot there. That's what you do. Find your 5-figure summary. Draw an outline, a scaled number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this bit in the middle here, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So when we're looking at that, we know this was the lowest. This is Q1, this is Q2, Q3, and this is the highest. You don't have to place these above that, but that's what these represent. So that's it. That's your 5-figure summary first of all, and then drawn onto a box plot. So let's go through that again. That's what you would do for each of them. Firstly, you would have to find the quartiles and the lowest and highest values. That's your 5-figure summary. Note them down here. And then you would need to represent these 5 numbers on a scale number line. So you choose a suitable number line. I had to represent 2, 7, 8, 10 and 25. Now a common mistake is just to draw a line and write these on it randomly. You can't do that. It's got to be a scaled number line. Okay, so what I would like you to do today is to take your textbook and do page 109. So page 109, exercise 11.4, and to do numbers 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we're nearing the end of this. You really have just to keep working hard so that you're in the right place when we return to school. Okay, so page 109, exercise 11.4, numbers 1, 2 and 3, and you make sure you're working hard. Okay, thank you very much.